Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, and press notification bell all para updated po kayo sa lahat ng aking video. For today's vlog guys, ayan, may apat po tayong recipe for today. Ang una ay ang ating adobong chicken. Ayan. Yummy, yummy. Simple cook lang yan guys. At ang ating pangalawang recipe for today is ang ating omelette egg with onion. Ayan. Siguradong mapaparami na naman ng kanin guys. Ayan. Simpleng ulam. Ayan guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na lang. Ayan, simpleng luto lang yan guys. At ating pangatlong recipe for today is ang ating Argentina. Ayan, corned beef guys. Ayan, yummy yummy. Tagal ko nang hindi nakakain nito guys. Ayan. With onion. Lagyan ko siya ng onion para mabango. At ang ating pang-apat na recipe for today is ang ating stir-fry vegetables, broccoli, carrots, mushroom, and black fungus. Ayan, yummy yummy vegetables. At ang ating panglimang recipe guys ay ang ating stir-fry okra or lady's finger with sambal chili and onion. Ayan, so yummy yummy. And thank you guys again for watching my video, and hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and see you again on my next video. God bless. Bye bye.